10-step plan to launch a successful SMS marketing campaign. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will reveal the 10 crucial steps you need to take to launch a successful SMS marketing campaign tailored specifically for your small business. This video is the perfect guide for small business owners who want to effectively reach and engage with their target audience, boost sales, drive website traffic, or build customer loyalty. Let's dive right in and explore the key strategies that will help you make the most out of SMS marketing. Step 1. Set your marketing goals. The first step in starting an SMS marketing campaign is to set clear, measurable, and attainable marketing goals. Take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve through your campaign. Is it to increase your sales by a certain percentage? Drive more traffic to your website? Build stronger relationships with your customers? Defining your goals is not just about finding direction, but also about customizing your SMS messages to successfully achieve those objectives. Example: let's say you own a local bakery, and you want to boost sales during weekdays. To boost foot traffic during the weekdays, an effective strategy would be to provide enticing discounts and promotions exclusively via SMS marketing. Step 2. Build your subscriber list. Now that you have your goals defined, it's time to focus on building your subscriber list. Encourage your customers to opt in and subscribe to receive SMS messages from your business by offering enticing incentives. These incentives can include exclusive discounts, special offers, helpful tips, or even access to limited-time promotions. Example: set up a sign-up sheet close to your cash register, enticing customers with an irresistible 10% discount on their upcoming purchase if they join your SMS list. By doing this, you not only add value for your customers but also obtain their consent to communicate with them via SMS. Step 3. Choose an SMS marketing platform. To effectively manage your SMS marketing campaigns, it's crucial to choose a reliable and user-friendly SMS marketing platform. When choosing a platform, make sure it meets your business requirements and offers vital features like contact management, message scheduling, analytics, and message personalization capabilities. Example: consider using a platform like EZ Texting. Boasting an intuitive interface and customized features crafted exclusively for small businesses, this tool presents an excellent option for efficiently and effectively managing your SMS campaigns. Step 4. Craft compelling messages. Crafting compelling messages is key to capturing your audience's attention and compelling them to act. Keep in mind that SMS messages have character limitations, so it's important to make every word count. Keep your messages concise, engaging, and relevant to your audience's interests or pain points. Example: hi there. Don't miss out on our exclusive weekday offer. Get a delightful 20% off any pastry of your choice between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. this Wednesday. Simply show this text at the counter to claim your scrumptious discount. We can't wait to see you. Step 5. Personalize your messages. Personalization adds a special touch to your SMS messages, making them feel more relevant and tailored to each individual recipient. In order to deliver more engaging content, make sure to utilize the names of your subscribers whenever you can. Additionally, consider dividing your audience according to their preferences or previous purchases to provide them with a more customized experience. Example: hi Sarah. As a valued customer who adores our delectable cupcakes, we have a delightful treat waiting for you this Friday. Enjoy a free cupcake of your choice with any purchase. Simply show this text at the counter and indulge yourself in pure bliss. Step 6. Timing is key. Timing plays a crucial role in the success of your SMS marketing campaigns. Consider your audience's daily routines and send messages when they are most likely to see and act upon them. Maximize your chances of capturing their attention and compelling them to take the desired action by sending messages at the right time. Example: if you own a restaurant and want to boost the visibility of your lunch specials, consider sending an SMS reminder around 11 a.m. when customers begin contemplating their midday meal arrangements. This way, they'll be more likely to consider your tempting offers. Step 7. Test and optimize. Testing and optimizing your SMS marketing campaigns is essential for continuous improvement. In order to enhance your audience engagement and achieve the highest possible response rates, it is crucial to experiment with and refine different message formats, calls to action, and timing elements. This allows you to determine which strategies resonate most effectively with your target audience. Don't be afraid to try new strategies and learn from the results. Example: split your subscriber list into 2 groups and send different variations of your message to each group. Analyze the results to see which version performs better in terms of engagement, click-through rates, and conversions. This way, you can refine your approach and achieve better outcomes. Step 8. Monitor analytics. Monitoring analytics is a vital part of any successful SMS marketing campaign. By monitoring metrics like open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall engagement, you can obtain valuable insights into the effectiveness of your messages in connecting with your audience. Example: take advantage of the analytics offered by the SMS marketing platform you've chosen. With this incredible tool, you can join a community of subscribers who not only open your messages but also engage with your call to action links and buttons, leading to a significant increase in customer conversions and desired actions. This data will help you fine-tune your future campaigns for even better results. Step 9. Comply with regulations. It's crucial to comply with regulations surrounding SMS marketing to maintain trust with your audience and avoid legal issues. Make sure you obtain proper consent from subscribers before sending them messages and provide clear opt-out options in every message. Respecting privacy and adhering to regulations should always be a priority. Example: include a clear opt-out option in every SMS message you send, such as reply stop to unsubscribe. By doing this, you grant your subscribers the freedom to decide if they wish to keep receiving messages from you or not. Step 10. Continuously improve. Lastly, remember that SMS marketing is an ongoing process that requires continuous improvement. Regularly analyze the results of your campaigns, gather feedback from customers, and adjust based on their preferences and behavior. By staying proactive and adaptive, you can ensure that your SMS marketing efforts remain effective and impactful. Example: why not send surveys or polls via SMS on a regular basis to collect valuable feedback from your subscribers regarding their experience with your SMS marketing campaigns? Their input will provide valuable insights that can help you refine your strategy and enhance customer satisfaction. Conclusion: here are the 10 crucial steps you need to take in order to successfully launch an impactful SMS marketing campaign for your small business. If you are dedicated and stay committed to these steps, you will successfully connect with and captivate your desired audience. This will ultimately lead to exponential growth for your business and foster enduring connections with your valuable customers. Good luck on your SMS marketing journey. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on business marketing strategies. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. We value your feedback. See you next time for more exciting insights and tips.